Hi guys, this is Victor. Welcome to my DIY time channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace center console air vent on my Lexus IS350. This air vent was already broken when I bought this car, but it was a good negotiation point and I was able to lower the price because of this. If you're going to try to find a brand new replacement part, you'll notice it's going to cost you around $400, which I think is ridiculous. So instead, I found a used part in really good condition for the fraction of the original cost. And if you're interested, I'm going to post a link in the description area below where I got it from. To be able to remove the old air vent, you're going to need to unlock these 4 release tabs. And for that, you're just going to need to push them down until you hear the click. And now they're going to stay in this unlocked position. On my used replacement air vent, the second tab was already broken, so it doesn't really work the way it should. But it doesn't really matter too much because we still have 3 more tabs working perfectly fine. Here's another view from a different angle, so you can get a really good idea how they work. And when you look at this air vent in the car from the bottom up, you will see these 4 openings where you can easily access and unlock those release tabs. You can use a flathead screwdriver and push them down until you hear a click. After you unlocked all 4 release tabs, with a little bit of force you should be able to pull out the air vent. Just be careful, there are going to be 2 cables for the air vent lights attached in the back. Go ahead and disconnect those. And that's pretty much how you do it. Install your replacement air vent in the reverse order and you'll be all set. Alright, I hope this video is helpful, and if so, give it a like. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.